Welcome to a brand new month here on my Patreon. This month's theme is Sunny Days with Ellie. In this video, I will walk you through everything you will receive in May and what you can look forward to this month. Starting on May 2nd, I will be posting your exclusive discount codes for my Etsy shop. The Stitch Squad gets 10% off and the Yarn Squad gets 20% off. Here is just a quick run through of what my Etsy shop looks like. On May 5th, my Yarn Squad members are in for something extra special this month. You'll receive both the Ellie and the Eddie elephant crochet patterns, so you'll get double the elephants and double the fun. And also on April 5th, all tiers, including my free tier, will receive a surprise freebie. Now this can be a small pattern, a printable, a crochet themed sticker sheet, or just something a little different. Now in the middle of the month, all tiers will be invited to join in on my Crochet Circle, and this is just a fun, welcoming space where you can answer monthly crochet questions, share what you're working on, and connect and say hello. And this is just a great way for us to get to know each other and build a crochet community. Toward the end of the month, I'll be sharing a special post for all tiers, and this may include a reflection post, behind the scenes post, a podcast style update, or just a get to know me post. And I basically do this just so that you can get to know me a little bit better. Now before I go, I just want to say that I truly appreciate each and every one of you for being here and supporting what I do. And I'm so excited to share all of these projects on my Patreon and all of my ideas with you this month. I can't wait to see what you create.